This video shows a smart conveyor-based learning platform used in the course EMT 0120, Industrial Robotics and Advanced Manufacturing, where students learn how to use industrial robots in manufacturing automation and how to create robotic systems. The conveyor line is used to demonstrate different industrial use cases related to smart manufacturing and digital production systems. Within the Merit project, several sensors and devices were added to this line. These include presence sensors, RFID, cameras, and monitoring components. Each sensor supports a different learning objective. Students can see how products are detected, identified, and tracked as they move through the line. The same conveyor setup can be reused for multiple use cases. This allows students to experiment with different system configurations without changing the physical layout. The platform helps students understand how sensor data is collected, how events are triggered, and how physical processes are connected to digital systems. This learning platform demonstrates how digital merit supports practical education by bringing real industrial technology into teaching environments.